Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Midea portable air conditioner is running but not blowing cold air, it can be frustrating because the unit seems active, yet the room temperature doesn't drop the way it should. This kind of issue often doesn't mean the AC is broken, it's usually a result of airflow problems, incorrect settings, or environmental factors that reduce cooling efficiency. Many users overlook simple things like filter condition, ventilation setup, or room sealing, which can all impact performance. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to restore proper cooling and get your Midea portable AC working effectively again. Try these. Step 1. Set the AC to cooling mode and lower the temperature setting properly. Step 2. Remove and clean the air filter to improve airflow. Step 3. Check the exhaust hose and ensure it is properly connected and not blocked. Step 4. Close all doors and windows to prevent warm air from entering. Step 5. Turn off the unit for a few minutes and restart it to reset the system. Step 6. Place the AC in a well-ventilated area away from heat sources.